Hello guys, welcome again to another DIY episode. So today I'm going to be teaching you alternative rivet options, and you have to start by preparing the surfaces you want to join or the items you want to join, drill them, and normally we have the most common rivet which looks like this, which you have to use a riveting machine to install. And then I have another favorite one that I use in my jewelry and sculpture, which comes in a female part and a male part. Very easy to install. You just put them together and hit with a hammer. And then the next one, we are going to explore how we can install a rivet using nails. The third one using an aluminium rod. And the fourth one using old screws. Let's begin by using my favorite rivets. Let's call them male-female rivets. So begin by putting the male part in one of the pieces you want to join, and then putting the other piece on top and covering it with the female part. Then you just take a hammer and hit it until the two pieces combine. And that's it. Next up, we are going to tackle the aluminium rod rivet. Start by cutting a flush cut on the top part of it, and then you're going to file it down so that you have a flat ending, so that when you place it on your anvil, it rests upright. And then you're going to cut 1/2 centimeter from the part that you filed. And then what follows is what we've done in the first one. Just put the two pieces you want to join, place your piece of rivet in the middle, and then you hit it with a hammer. Make sure you hit it in a circular motion so that the rivet flares up and joins the two pieces of tin, as you can see. The nail rivet is most common with the Juakali artisans, and you can see it used in the jikos that you buy from them and any other items. So start by cutting 1/2 centimeter of the nail from the head. And then what follows is the same thing that we've done before, by placing the two pieces you want to join and the rivet in between. And then again, hit it with a hammer and do it in a circular motion so that the iron in the nail rivet flares up and seals your two pieces together. And finally, the most exciting one has to be from the old screws. These ones I get from old electronics. Start by cutting 1/2 centimeter from the head of the screw, like that. And then what follows is the same thing as we've done with the others. Place the two pieces you want to join together and the rivet in between. Place it on your anvil and then hit it in a circular motion so that the screw flares up and covers and seals the two pieces that you're joining. Well guys, I hope that you enjoyed watching this short tutorial about alternative rivets that you can use, which is more sustainable than just buying things from the shop. And if you did enjoy, leave a like, subscribe if you have not, share with your friends, and have a good time. Until next time, bye bye.